All right, welcome back to the art of SHITBOX Camaros and other SHITBOX projects. Really, just welcome back to the SHITBOX garage. Camaro's still under the knife. Today, I think I'm gonna play with the pedals since we have all that, so I'm gonna get that all set up. I did the clutch and brake pedal and the new slave cylinder for the T56, fitting, the hoses, all that. Fab up a little bracket for this guy right here. This electronic accelerator pedal. Since, there's nothing like that in this Camaro. That should actually be kind of fun. Do a little metal fab in. I am actually gonna work on my NC a little today as well. I haven't decided if I want to do that right now, first things first, or wait for Dan to get here and then we can both sit around out here and sanding. The NC's pretty much ready for a second coat of primer, but I still need to work the rear bumper that I haven't gotten around to. A little bit of sanding here and there, and then I can get back some primer on these areas. Dan's needs to get filed and to see where he has some improvement on the bodywork to do. I don't think he's gonna have a whole lot to do. This thing was fairly clean and he did a pretty good job. I think we're gonna have to work that quarter that I welded just a little bit more realistically, but beyond that, I think we're in good shape to get this thing painted fairly quickly next week. And then maybe I'll introduce project 344 of mine. That'd be a miracle if I actually started working on this thing again and got this thing done by spring. That would be wild, so wild. Look at all that intercooler piping in there. Can you see that? Look at that. I wonder. Yeah, she's a classic now too. So old, and I've been working on it so long. She's actually become a classic. All right, enough chit chat. I'm gonna change and get to work on one of these shit boxes. All right, so we decided to reuse Dan's driver's side fender that he originally didn't want to use at first because there was some weird misshapen stuff with it. But after further inspection, what he has been able to find as a replacement wasn't really that much better. So we went ahead and already repaired some dents and stuff down here. A lot of that hammered out. Some stuff over here this stuff got hammered out over here, and now there's a little crack right here. I am gonna finish TIG welding so that we can finish the bodywork on this, throw it on the Miata, and get it hammered out and get it primed with the rest of the other crowd that still needs to get primed. A lot of welding in the last 24 hours for me. I don't usually get to play with my TIG welding this month. Hammer the rest a little together. We'll just fill that with some filler on. Dab! Yeah, a little bit to fill that. And then we can hammer the shit out of it and grind it. Too close to that one there.
You're the one that's editing it, so.
I'm just saying, let's be real. This weld isn't gonna be one of those pretty stainless welds we make. Like these, look at those. Rainbows and penetration and color, penetration on the inside. I mean, we know how to weld here, kind of. It's not that bad. This is just some mild steel fender. Crispy back together, dude. Oh yeah. Oh, nice. That's a good penetration back there too. Well, my bumper's pretty much ready for prime. Dan put his fender back on. It is oddly shaped here because it took some damage. It took some damage at some point, so it's waving out of here. Had a wave and a crease in here, so really all we gotta do is just kind of roll this edge back into itself here carefully. So. Way better than it was. Oh, that's loads better than it was. sound in the end here. Yeah, you can feel it's a little. Hammers. Oh, telling you that doesn't look way better already. We're getting there. Alright, that's already looking way better from here. Mm-hmm. All right. Let's see how this turned out. Done.